What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be discussing a new poncho from Sab that gives soldiers multi-spectral cover. So a new snow winter environment camo poncho that looks pretty sick in my eyes. And its design is pretty simplistic, but we're just going to be reading from the Firearm blog here, so all credit to them. But so the proliferation of drone-based surveillance on the modern battlefield has pushed individual soldier concealment to the forefront of defense priorities, and SAB is responding with a dedicated wearable camouflage system. So the Swedish company has unveiled the Barracuda poncho, a multi-spectral concealment garment designed to hide dismounted soldiers from thermal and, in its Arctic configuration, UV sensors across a range of operational winter snow environments, right? And the Barracuda poncho joins Sab's existing Barracuda family of camo solutions, which spans vehicle, platform, and even individual soldier applications. And according to Sab, the company, the new poncho builds on feedback from its Barracuda soldier system and even shifts emphasis towards wearability, addressing scenarios and situations where a soldier must move away from a concealed hidden position or vehicle without compromising mission security. So it's specifically designed, I guess you could say, for troops when they're moving from a hidden position like a foxhole building or any vehicle, right? And the garment is reversible with each side configured for a specific light condition, one for daytime use and one for nighttime, and the latter featuring enhanced thermal protection. And Sab says the poncho covers woodland, stony desert, and even Arctic environments, with the winter variant adding UV sensor protection beyond the standard visual and thermal coverage, of course. And the total weight is listed at just over 1 kg, which for our American friends is about 2.2 pounds, a design priority intended to preserve freedom of movement and allow rapid deployment in the field. So just a quick little video here, and so Barracuda poncho is our answer to the recent rise in UAV-based surveillance on the battlefield, where a mission can be compromised if the soldier even briefly leaves a camouflaged vehicle or position. Building on the positive response from our soldier system, the new Barracuda, I don't know why I keep saying that, poncho solution provides an alternate camo solution focusing on wearability while retaining the exceptional multispectral protection, end quote, says Henning Robach, head of Sab's Barracuda business unit. So for those planning to go, the Barracuda poncho is scheduled to be on display at Eurosatory of 2026 at Sab's stand in Hall 6 G180. So with drone surveillance now a near constant threat in modern war and the modern battlefield, do you think wearable multi-spectral camouflage will become standard issue for infantry or remain a specialized tool for special forces units? Personally, I think just because of drones and how big of a threat they are in the 2020s, entering the 2030s, I think we're going to see a massive shift on the battlefield and war in general. And I really think that all troops, all types of troops, infantry, no matter where they are, I think that sufficient camouflage is super necessary. And we're going to be seeing, no normal soldiers having to wear foliage, having to wear bush suits. We're even seeing this in Russia, Ukraine. Soldiers are already wearing, at least on top of them, right, a hood and their arms kind of a half ghillie bush suit. So I think this is really relevant. And in snow conditions, it's even easier to hide along the white. So just a quick little news video of a new poncho from Sab. And thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, type as a comment what you think about this poncho and the future of war, and subscribe, ring the bell. See you guys next time.